Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the replace formula. The replace formula, it allows you to replace a part of a text, any given part of a text in a string with any other thing. So like this is the original text which we have mentioned, let's choose to be happy, and now we can modify this text using the replace formula. I'll show you how. See, I was able to insert X in the second place. So the second place was E. So instead of let's, it's written LXTS. So here I inserted the X again at this position. Hello, I got inserted over here. I'll show you how we can do that. So we start by typing is equal to REPLACE, and it says it replaces part of a text string with a different text string. So it says old text, so this would be old text, comma, start number. From where do you want to start the replacement? I want to say now replace the 2, okay, the text TO2. So the start position would be 4 space is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The T is at position 13. Number of characters I want to replace 2, and I want to replace it with new text. Let's say X. I press enter. Let's choose X to be happy. Now since I want two characters to be replaced, I have to give 2 characters over here. Else it will only replace it by 1 character. Alright. If I want to, I have to give it. So say let's do it again, is equal to replace old text, comma, start position, let's say choose this, alright, and comma, number of characters, let's say choose this, 2 characters, new text is this. So you get the characters to be replaced changed by this one. Here we can again try it. Replace old text is this, comma, start number. You can type in this example. I'll show you how to type it in. Say number 6, comma, and number of characters again, characters to replace, say 5, and new text, let it be QWERT, and I'm typing this in, so I would have to give it quote marks and close the bracket. See, the first 5 characters of this choose word got changed. So this is how you use the replace formula in Excel. See you in the next video.